Do you want to learn how you can start making money online with affiliate marketing, and you're looking for a training program that will teach you the fundamentals but also won't break the bank? Well, in this video, I'll be reviewing Jonathan Montoya's 3-day business breakthrough challenge. So stay tuned because it might just be what you're looking for. Hey guys, my name is Chad and welcome back to Purely Remote, the channel that brings you all the tips, tools and resources for you to find success online. Now on this channel, we create content that specifically focuses on helping you make money online and also showing you how you can start a successful online business of your own. So we do that through, as I mentioned, tips, tools and resources and also product reviews. So if that's something that you are interested in, you might want to consider subscribing. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing a training program or a short course that basically teaches you the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. And that course is by Jonathan Montoya and it's called the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge. Now, if you're new to all of this and you're wondering what exactly is affiliate marketing is basically a business model where you would be leveraging or promoting other companies' already existing products and services, and for all the sales that you bring in, you earn commissions. Now in this video, I'm not going to get into too much detail about how affiliate marketing works and the moving parts of the business itself, because we have created other videos on this channel that explains it more in depth. In fact, we'll link one of them right up here. So like I said, the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge is a course or a short program that teaches you the basics and the fundamentals of an affiliate marketing business. So it shows you step by step exactly how to start and grow your online business and also start making money with it. And before I take you behind the scenes and show you exactly what you get from the course and what you learn from it, I just want to show you the bonuses that you'll receive from us if you do join the course through the link that's in our description. Okay, so all of these bonuses that we've included are specifically there to help you actually start seeing results and start making money as quickly as possible after getting started with your affiliate marketing business. Now the first bonus number 1, is valued at $398, and that's access to our 2-week coaching program. So basically you'll have direct access to us. It's a one-on-one coaching program and we do it over Zoom. So we'll help you overcome any struggles and obstacles that you might be facing when you're starting out, or even if you're up and running and you kind of get stuck with something. That's what these coaching calls are for. Then bonus number 2, valued at $149, is a free downloadable video training that shows you how you can make your first $1,000 with your affiliate marketing business using TikTok, even if you have absolutely no experience. The third bonus, also valued at $149, is also a downloadable video training that focuses on TikTok, but instead of posting content on TikTok, actually how you can use lives and structure your lives as a micro webinar so that you can generate more sales to your business every single day. Then bonus number 4, valued at $29, is a free downloadable ebook called Smart Marketing Stories. Now, this is basically helps you to actually market and teaches you how to market or promote your business and your brand through stories, which is an amazing way of actually marketing. It's the best way of marketing and promoting your business. So this particular ebook basically helps you market and promote and shows you how to do that through incredible engaging storytelling. And bonus number 5 is online support from us. And this is a continuous thing because there is a chance that you constantly are going to have questions and we want to make ourselves available to you. Remember, we want to actually help you be successful online. So all in all, if you do join the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge through the link that's down in our description, you'll be getting all of these bonuses valued at over $725. Okay, so now let's get into the actual program. What do you get, right? So the first thing that I want to share with you is who this course was actually created by. So the course creator, his name is Jonathan Montoya, and he is super experienced in the online space. He's been around for a while. He really knows what he's doing. He actually started his online journey when he was a full-time electrical engineer and he just hated his 9-to-5 job. He kind of couldn't stand everything about it. He wanted something more. He wanted to attain that time and financial freedom, and that's when he started his online marketing business. So after starting his online business and applying the strategies, some of which you'll actually learn in the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge, he was able to leave his full-time 9-to-5 job within 9 months, right? And then from there, his business just kept growing and growing and growing. So he definitely does know what he's talking about. And also himself as a person, he is super passionate about helping all of his students, anyone who's part of his program, to actually see success online. So now I just want to take you through the actual sales page of the program. So when you land on his sales page, it's got a little video right over here that explains a little bit more about the program and what you'll be learning. And then this is an overview of what you receive from the training. So it's the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge, which means that the training program is split into 3 separate parts. On day 1, you learn exactly what affiliate marketing is and why this is the best business model for creating an online business. And I want to add to that, even if you're a complete beginner. Then day 2, you learn how to build your own online business in just 30 minutes, from finding your product to building out your email sequence. You're going to learn in the program why email and email marketing is so important for your business as well. So in day 2, you'll basically learn how you can build a full online business from scratch in just 30 minutes. Then on day 3, it's all about traffic, all about bringing people to your business. So it's all about traffic, get the right eyeballs on your offer and start making daily commissions. So basically on day 3, he'll show you how you can promote your online business without having to use any ads or pay for any ads or anything like that. It's all done organically, which means for free. Then just a little bit further down the page, there are a couple of bonuses that Jonathan adds in as well. So the first bonus that is offered from Jonathan's side is you get his complete done for you business. And this is how you can literally copy his exact system in just a few seconds. So what this means is that he's already set up a business and he shows you exactly how you can transfer his business and his system over to you and literally have a full business that has been created from the ground up, especially for you, ready to go within just a few seconds. Then the second bonus that he offers is you get access to his white label ebook, and you can use his authority and brand to promote multiple offers with one link. So you can download the ebook as your own and then add your own affiliate links to that. That is a super cool one. We actually use this very same ebook for our business. Then his third bonus that he gives you is that you'll receive his secret emails that have generated him 6 figures. Literally just copy and paste, or like he says here, plug and play with these proven pre-written emails. So as I mentioned earlier, you will learn why emails are so important for an online business and for affiliate marketing. And this actually saves you a lot of time because you won't need to spend a ton of time writing your own emails. Here's pre-written emails that have been proven to convert or to actually get those sales for your business, and you can copy and paste them and put them in your business and you're good to go. Now, before I go on and take you behind the curtain and you actually can see what the course consists of, I just think that it is important to let you know that this particular program is a fundamentals program. So it's going to teach you the foundations and how to actually start an online business, right? Think of this program itself more of something to kind of get your feet wet, but without breaking the bank. So it's going to teach you all of the basics, how to get up and running, but it's not going to necessarily go into detail about how you can actually get your business to start earning, upwards of $10,000 every month. That is a different program that he offers. In fact, we are members of that particular program of his as well. And if you do want to check that out, something that is more in depth and how you can actually grow your business to a full-time thing and be able to earn, tens of thousands of dollars every single month, we'll link it right up here and down in the description if you do want to check it out. Now, from the sales page, if you do click on yes, give me access, now it'll take you to the checkout page, right? And this is where you can fill in your details and pay for the course and then go ahead. So the course itself is $7. So this $7 is a once-off payment. It's not a recurring or a subscription-based thing. You pay the $7 once and then you'll get full access to the entire 3-day program for life. So another thing that you'll notice on the checkout page is this little offer right over here. So this is basically like a little upsell of his, and it is $47. And what this is, it is basically a series of interviews from super affiliates who are part of Jonathan's program as well. So they literally share their personal secrets with you, their strategies, their methods that have gotten them to be able to earn, upwards of 7 and 8 figures. So if you do go for that, it is an additional $47 just once off, but you do get access to a lot of in-depth information from these super affiliates. So it definitely is something to consider if you decide to join this program. Okay, so now let's get into the exact program, right? I'm going to take you behind the scenes so you know exactly what you're getting. So once you go through the checkout, you've paid for the training, this is what you get access to right over here. So you'll get all 3 modules immediately available to you. And on day 1, as I mentioned, you learn more about what affiliate marketing actually is, how the business makes money, and how it all works. Day number 2, this is when you're going to learn how you can build a full online business from scratch in literally 30 minutes. Then day 3 is about the traffic. So Jonathan is actually going to show you how you can start bringing people to your business for free online, as I said earlier, without having to pay for ads or anything like that. It's literally all about traffic. So day 1's video, you're looking at about 54 minutes. Day 2 was an hour, and then day 3 is an hour and a half. So a really cool thing about the program itself is that once you do join the program, you get access to all 3 days immediately. So if you're able to, jump right in and you've got the time to go through the course from the beginning to the very end, you can do that within 1 day if you've got the time. If you don't, you could literally decide how much time you want to set aside to actually go through the training and the program itself and come back to it later. And then another thing that you'll get is that you'll be able to apply and become a Freedom Breakthrough affiliate, which basically means you become an affiliate for his business and the products and programs that he offers. So just to give you a quick rundown of Jonathan's affiliate program, basically as an affiliate, you're going to receive 50% commissions for every sale that you get, but you can also upgrade to 75% commissions, and that's explained in the video that I mentioned earlier that we've linked down in the description. And then this next tab is where you can access his bonus white label funnel and ebook. If you remember earlier, I showed you that $47 additional training that you can purchase along with the 7-day training. So basically, these additional 8 videos that you'll be getting for that $47 are interviews that Jonathan has with his students. So all of these people are basically part of Jonathan's program, and they are his students, and they share with you their methods and strategies for how they've been able to reach and build their businesses, to earn 6-7 figures a month. So yeah, this definitely has a lot of value, and if you do end up joining the 3-day business breakthrough program, you definitely want to consider actually going for this $47 additional video training as well. And that's pretty much everything that you're going to receive, everything that you learn from the $7 training. That's what the 3-day business breakthrough challenge consists of. Now, just to run you over the bonuses that you receive from us again, the bonus number 1, valued at $398, is our 2-week coaching program, and it's a one-on-one thing that you get access to. And bonus number 2, valued at $149, is that free downloadable video training where you learn how to make your first $1,000 with absolutely no experience on TikTok. Bonus number 3, valued at $149, is where you learn how to use TikTok Lives as micro webinars to convert and make those high ticket sales. Bonus number 4 is the free downloadable ebook that shows you how you can actually promote and market your business and your product through effective storytelling. And then bonus number 5 is the ongoing online support from us. So those are the bonuses that we've included for you, valued at over $725. And then remember that you also get additional bonuses from Jonathan as well. So the first bonus is access to his done for you business, so his complete system that you can literally copy and paste and use as your own. The second bonus that he offers is that ebook. So the ebook where you can include your own affiliate links and then use that ebook within your business to promote multiple links from literally just this one ebook. And then the third bonus are those pre-written emails that have been proven to sell. And to join the 3-day business breakthrough challenge, it is $7. You don't have to purchase the additional $47, the extra video training. Even though it is super valuable, and I personally highly recommend it, you can get access to the actual training program for just $7. Okay, and final thoughts on this particular program. I mean, for what it's worth, the $7 that you're paying for, you're actually getting a lot of information. If you think about it, for $7, you're learning how to start an actual online business and how to start making that business make money. So like I said at the very beginning of the video, is that it's a great way to kind of get your feet wet, learn the fundamentals and the foundations of an affiliate marketing business without necessarily having to break the bank or burn a hole in your pocket. But then again, something to consider as well is that this is an entry-level program that you'll be joining. It doesn't necessarily teach you, the in-depth skills of how you can actually build your business to become a full-time thing, and like I said, earn upwards of $10,000 every month. That is another program that he offers, and as I mentioned, we will leave a link down in the description if you do want to check that one out as well. But is this, the 3-day business breakthrough challenge, a good program to actually get you started in affiliate marketing? Absolutely. We've done quite a few of these $7 trainings, and this is the one that actually worked for us. It's direct, it's straight to the point. There's not really any fluff or anything like that. So if you are looking for something literally just to get you started so that you can figure out, is this a business that you want to carry on with? Yeah, it's definitely worth the $7. I mean, it's actually, I would say, worth more than $7, but at the end of the day, you are investing $7. Is it worth it? Yeah. And remember that you can take advantage of those additional bonuses that we've included for you if you join the program through the link that is down in our description. But I hope you found this video valuable, helpful, useful, and informative. If you did, please remember to leave a thumbs up at the bottom of this video. And if you have not yet done so already, remember to subscribe to Purely Remote, because we are constantly going to be creating a lot more content that is geared around this, helping you make money online, helping you start and successfully grow an online business. And if you have any questions about this video, about the program itself, let us know down in the comments and we'll definitely get back to you. Also, if there's anything else you'd like to learn more about and would like to have us create videos on and put on the channel, let us know down in the comments, because that's where we can engage with you. So thanks again for hanging out with us and watching this video. I really hope you did find it useful, and we'll see you soon.